that. And this today is called herbs and spices. Most of our vegetables, most of our fruit and herbs.
So we're here at the Jensen Clinic doing a in-person gardening workshop with one of our program partners, Texas A&M AgriLife Extension.
We have kale, peppers, squash.
We find it's really important to kind of complement medical care and healthcare with activities like this. It's really kind of applying what they're learning from their doctors, the recommendations they're receiving, to real life application.
It's something that you can do with your kids if you have kids or your grandkids, and then it's also something that'll get you excited about eating healthier.
There's so many.
I thought it was great. I had a lot of questions because I've been thinking about doing this for a couple of months now, but I didn't know how to do it, and she did a great job.
My hope is that patients are able to apply the skills they learn at home with their families and their friends, and then also that it kind of bridges the gap between coming to the clinic to see their doctors and their day-to-day life. It's kind of nice to build these relationships outside of the appointment time.
I just thought it was wonderful, and it's helping me on my journey to being able to live more healthier, and it'll save me some money. So it's really life-changing.
Just depending on